Hi besties, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I am so excited about today's video because it is the Boxycharm base box for October, but not only are we going to be talking about the base box like always, we're also going to be talking about the Tarte Takeover Premium box. So I'm really excited. Every so often Boxycharm will send me, their premium box, and I love sharing that one with you guys as well. I also want to say Boxycharm does send me these boxes, but I've been paying for them myself since high school, and if you scroll down on my channel you'll kind of see, the first ever video I ever did was a Boxycharm video because I just love them. I will also add my affiliated link for signing up if you guys are interested to my description box, and I'll also add all the makeup on my face if anyone is interested, but let's jump in. First we're going to start with the base box, which as you guys know is $27.99, and you get 5 full-size beauty products. So for the October base box, I guess the theme is like spell. It says everyone will be under your spell, and then on the other side, as always, there is the list of items, so you can see the descriptions, you can see the price points, all that. The first thing I see we received is the Ciate London Spice palette. I actually have 2 other palettes from Ciate London, and I really enjoy the formula, so I'm actually excited about this. And I feel like it's gonna have fall vibes. I love the color of like the outer packaging, and it's on the inner packaging as well, which I really like this. And this palette is $39. It says new launch too, so that's nice. Yeah, and this is like a really fall time looking palette, but you can also like use it throughout the year, of course, as well. Really pretty swatches. And this is what the palette looks like. I really love the packaging. I do enjoy these tones. These are like the perfect full tones. Let me go ahead and swatch it. And I did just go ahead and swatch on the back of my hand, but I really do want to see how it translates onto the eyes. Now what I will say is, would I actually spend $39 on this palette right now? No, because I know I have similar shades in my collection, but it is very beautiful and I will get a good amount of use out of it. Also, I typically always read the descriptions. We're not going to do that today just because I have so many products to go over since we do have 2 boxes. The next product we have is the Tress Loose Beauty palette, and this is a highlighter palette, and it's called the Lucette Glow. The highlighter palette is $26, and this is what it looks like. What I will say is I don't tend to use highlighter palettes as often as I used to. The only one I just continuously gravitate back to is that Jaclyn Hill one with like the accent highlighters because it's stunning, but you can't even get your hands on that anymore. This does look pretty. I feel like the majority of the shades, except for maybe this one, would work for me too, which I do enjoy. Let me go ahead and swatch it. So yeah, I'm not mad to get this. I'm just more excited about the palette right now. Then from the brand Floor & Be, I got the Eyes Baby anti-aging eye cream, which I feel like is supposed to be like a reference to like Ice Baby, which is super cute. I am happy to get this, and if I didn't already say it, it's $26 because I am running very low on my Summer Fridays, what is it called? The Yuzu eye cream, which I also got in a Boxycharm, so I'm super happy to get this one. And also my Tarte Wink of H2O one I got in a Boxycharm, and I'm completely out of that one, so I'm happy to have this. I do still want to repurchase the other 2, but I'm waiting for the Sephora VIP sale. But let's see what it looks like. Ooh, this is the packaging. Bougie. Love that. Love that. It looks like a Kiehl's mask that I own. Let's see how it smells. It smells really good, you guys. I cannot wait to put this on my under eyes. It says it's good for anti-aging and also firming, so we'll have to see about that. But this is probably what I'm most excited for already. It always happens. I always love the skincare so much. Next up is the Playa Manoy Milk Leave-In Conditioner, which is $24. It looks beautiful, very lovely. I love this light pink packaging. It's like one of my favorites. It feels really nice in the hand too, like kind of heavy. Let me sniff it. I always like to sniff things. It is like a spray leave-in conditioner. It smells okay, you know? It's not like smelling like a mica, but it smells all right. I need to see obviously what it's gonna do for the hair, but it says it has coconut milk, manoi oil, what else? It's good for chemically treated hair, dry hair, frizzy hair, environmentally damaged hair, so that sounds like right up my alley. Also for taming frizz and healing damage. I don't see anything here though that says more ingredients, so, and I cannot read this, you guys, I'm just being honest. Like, look how tiny. If you can, here you go. But I love hair care. I've been getting into it, so I'm excited to at least try it. But I'm not like most excited about it unless it really like blows my mind, you know? And last up is the Dew of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Face Primer. That just made me kind of hungry. Oh, and the primer is $32, you guys. Whoa. I dropped it. I freaking always drop things in these videos. And I've never heard of the brand Dew of the Gods. It's really hydrating. It smells really, really good, so I'm excited to try it. All I can tell you right now is it's very hydrating, which for dry skin, like me having dry skin, I'm really happy about that. And again, I really like the packaging, so I am excited about this. What am I most excited about in this box? Let's go over it. I'm excited about the Ciate London palette, especially because it is a new launch, and I'm obsessed with the packaging. And then the Eyes Baby eye cream. You guys knew this was gonna be in the lineup. It smells amazing. It has really nice claims. And I love the aesthetic of this as well. But obviously what's gonna matter is if it does make a difference in my under eyes and really hydrate them. We also have the Dewy Collagen Face Primer, which I do find to be very hydrating, so I am excited about this as well. And again, the packaging of this is so cute. I really love it. So these are my top 3, and I want you guys to comment down below which you would be most excited about. It could be 3, it could be just all the things you're excited about, it could be one thing, but me personally, this is what makes me the happiest. The only critique that I could say is that it is Halloween, and this is like fall vibes, yes, but everything else I really didn't get that spirit, you know? I feel like some of the products could have been a little bit more like spooky, fall themed, you know? This is perfect, but I wanted like more things like this, like a red lip or something. I don't know, you know, an eyeliner. I don't know, you guys. I was just looking for something a little bit more, you know, festive for fall and for October, for Halloween. So that's the only negative thing. I'm gonna go ahead and add up all the amounts, and I'm gonna come back with the full value. Overall total of the box is $147, and even if I subtract the 2 things I wasn't the most excited about, it would be $97. So I feel like that is worth it. Let's move on to the Tarte takeover that I feel like so many of us are so excited about. I feel like some of you might have even just skipped the base box and went straight to this portion, and I'm not mad at you, I understand. So this is what the Tarte box looks like, if you guys are curious. I love purple, so when I saw this, I was like, yes. And it says Tarte is celebrating 20 plus years of female-funded, cruelty-free formulas infused with good-for-you ingredients and kindness. I love that. And before I forget, the Boxycharm premiums are supposed to have a $215 value. I have to read this off the internet because I don't always get this one, but it's supposed to be a value of $215, and you're supposed to get 6 products in your box. And the box itself is $39.99. And at first I was like, $39.99 and you only get 1 more product, but the value is way more. And y'all, the first thing that like immediately I just gravitated to within the box is the Maracuja Juicy Lip. I'm so excited. This one is in the shade Orchid. I have tried the plumping formula, so as long as this is literally that but just without the plumping sensation, I will love it so much, and maybe even a little bit more, because you don't always want that plumping feel, you know? So again, this one is in the shade Orchid, and let me tell you how much it is, but I want to say it's like $20. $21, and it's one of those where you press the bottom and you can't like put it back down after that. Let's see how this one feels. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's nice, you guys. It's really, really nice. I love this. This is like, this made the box for me. Well, not quite because it's $39, so we still have a little bit more value to go. But this, I'm most excited about, 100%. Next product we have is the Lights Camera Lashes, which looks like this. And they call it a 4-in-1 mascara, but why? Why is it 4-in-1? Ooh, this is supposed to be the before and after. And this mascara is $24. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's not my favorite packaging, but I mean, for spooky season, I feel like this is actually kind of cute because it's like dark purple, which I think does fall into that category. And I've seen this mascara in Ulta, but I always just kind of walk past it. I will say I love the tubing mascara that they offer, so hopefully I like this one just as much. And I just can't help smelling my mascaras. They smell the same no matter what, but I just can't help it. And it's like it has sequins on it. So I don't know. It's cute. It's not my favorite packaging, but I hope the quality of the product makes up for that, you know? Then we have the Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener for $25. So it's a 2-in-1 used to combine bigger, brighter, and more defined eyes. Okay, that's cute. I do enjoy like 2-in-1s, especially for travel. And I do enjoy like just the nude on the under eye. I think it's beautiful. And I hope the quality of it is really creamy and easy to work with. I don't think I've ever heard anyone talk about these though. And that's the liquid liner. I am excited to get half of it. I love like liners that you just put on the under eye if you want. You can even make a liner with it. But I'm not the biggest fan of like liquid liners, more like cream liners, you know? So I'm happy about half of this product. Next up is the Tarte Breezy Cream Blush, and this is $24. So far, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I am more happy about this box than the first box. I am like really enjoying this Tarte box. Look at the color of the blush. It's in the shade Pink Sky. And yeah, the box is kind of blowing me away. For $24, you get a lot of product here. And the description says it has grip technology powered by marine plants, coconut, and sodium hyaluronate. I hope I'm saying hyaluronate right. But it has that. They also have the Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette, which is $30. Ooh, and this looks amazing for every day. Y'all, I know it's not super colorful, I understand that, but if you look at my makeup today, I'm wearing very neutral shades. I could easily achieve that with this palette. And I don't know, I just love a good everyday eyeshadow palette, and I know the quality on these should be really good, really pretty. Now, do I have a lot of those colors in my collection already? Absolutely yes, but I like to have a lot of eyeshadow palettes to review, to try out, and to recommend and all that, so I'm happy about it. And the last thing we have is the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, which is $39. And this is what it looks like. And I wonder if this has like similar formula to the Drink of H2O eye cream that I love. No, this is a lot different. The other one is more of like a white cream. This one is like tinted blue, and it looks more like a gel than like a traditional cream. But let me put some on the hand. Ooh, automatically it feels really, really nice and hydrating. The smell is interesting. I cannot wait to put this all over my face because I do love the eye cream, and for them to name it, you know, in the same line, H2O, Wink of H2O, I feel like maybe I have to like this. So this I'm very excited about, and again, this is $39, but you get a lot of product there, and I feel like it's something where you don't need to use a lot, you know? And that was the full box. Now I have to decide what would be my top 3, which I'm not gonna lie, that seems kind of hard. So let me sit here and just debate it for a second. I know this is number 1. This is number 2. I really like this. But then I don't like half of this, so I'm not gonna put it in the top 3. Not that I don't like half of it, but I just feel like I won't get use out of half of it, you know? But I do love trying new mascaras. But I haven't heard people really hype it up. But that doesn't mean that it's a bad product. Okay, these are my top 3. Y'all know I love moisturizers. I love very hydrating products. This feels like a wink of H2O. So I'm gonna say this is number 3, this is number 2, and this is number 1. I'm so happy to get this in the freaking box, you guys. You have no idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up the full total of the box. Again, the value, or not the value, the price is $39.99. So the value of the box is $163, which you're spending $40, and I think that's worth it because even just getting this moisturizer brings it to $39. Hold on, you guys. Sorry besties, my dogs were letting me know that someone was at the door, and if you guys have dogs, you know they are your alerts. Like, they will let you know anytime someone is near your house, is at your mailbox, just anything like that. They're just so funny and I love them so much. But can't even remember what I was saying. I think I just said that I preferred the Tarte box, but how could I not? You know, it's a full box of Tarte. Even in the past when I've received premium boxes, I've always preferred them though over the base boxes. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think about both boxes. Compare and contrast like in the comment sections on what we got. If you got some different things, I would love to know that. And yeah, besties, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. This is one of the boogers. Say bye. Say bye. Bye.